Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in the industrial world. Why do manufacturing projects fail and what can you do to prevent it? From production upgrades to R&D programs and CAPEX investments, manufacturing projects are complex, high risk, and tightly linked to deadlines, quality, and safety. But the good news? Most failures follow predictable patterns, and once you understand these patterns, you can build the right processes and tools to avoid them. Let's dive in. One of the biggest reasons manufacturing projects derail is unclear scope. Many teams start with assumptions instead of validated requirements, such as vague specs, missing process constraints, undefined quality standards, unclear resource needs, or misalignment between engineering, production, and supply chain. How to prevent this? Run a structured scoping phase with all key departments. Use templates, technical checklists, and requirement validation sessions. Build this discipline into your stage gate scoping stage so clarity is guaranteed before development begins. Another major cause of project failure is disorganized or inaccessible documentation. Critical information often ends up scattered across spreadsheets, emails, personal folders, outdated versions, or disconnected systems. Without a single source of truth, teams lose visibility, causing delays, rework, and miscommunication. How to prevent this? Centralize all project documents in one controlled repository. Use version-controlled approval workflows and standard templates, and ensure every team works from the same up-to-date information. A third reason manufacturing projects fail is that teams underestimate risks or overlook key dependencies. Typical risk factors include supply chain reliability, machine availability, regulatory checks, plant shutdown windows, technology readiness, and cross-team dependencies. When these aren't assessed early or updated regularly, projects run into delays, overruns, and quality issues. How to prevent this? Treat risk management as a continuous activity, not a one-off task. Document risks, assign owners, and update mitigation plans at every stage. Tie risks directly to timeliness and budgets, and use gate reviews to verify risk readiness before moving forward. A fourth common reason manufacturing projects struggle is weak cross-functional coordination. These projects involve many groups: engineering, production, quality, procurement, and external suppliers. And when communication breaks down, gaps and delays quickly follow. How to prevent this? Establish clear governance with defined roles and decision makers. Hold structured project reviews to align on status, risks, and next steps. Use centralized dashboards so all teams share the same real-time information. Use gate reviews as formal checkpoints to keep everyone coordinated. Another big challenge is poor visibility into time and cost, which makes it hard to catch issues early. Teams often rely on outdated spreadsheets or manual reporting, which leads to issues like actual costs drifting from budget, labor hours not tracked accurately, procurement delays, and change requests not reflected in forecasts. How to prevent this? Track actuals, committed costs, and labor time in one system. Compare real-time progress to budget and schedule to catch issues early. Connect cost tracking with procurement and scheduling for a full financial picture. Make cost updates a standard part of each project review. Yet another major cause of failure is managing complex manufacturing projects without a structured methodology. Without structure, deliverables vary, decision points are unclear, business cases aren't validated, and teams end up reacting instead of planning. In manufacturing, where risks, constraints, and dependencies are high, this lack of structure almost guarantees delays, rework, and misalignment. How to prevent this? Use a proven model like StageGate to define stages, deliverables, and criteria. Ensure each stage has clear objectives and review requirements. Use gate reviews to confirm readiness before moving forward. Document the process so every team follows the same structure. Finally, many manufacturing projects fail simply because teams don't have the right digital infrastructure to support them. Large, complex projects are still often managed in spreadsheets, emails, shared drives, or systems that don't integrate with ERP, MES, or procurement. This creates blind spots, slows decision-making, and increases the chances of errors, rework, and miscommunication. How to prevent this? Use a centralized PPM platform for timeliness, costs, documents, and risks. Ensure all teams can collaborate with the same real time data. Automate reporting and gate reviews to reduce manual work. Integrate your PPM system with core manufacturing tools to maintain consistency. In summary, manufacturing projects are complex, but most challenges become manageable with the right structure, alignment, and tools. When teams work with clear scope, shared information, ongoing risk awareness, and a consistent methodology, projects stay on track and deliver better outcomes. If you'd like to see how Cerri Project supports manufacturing teams and stage gate governance, check out the links below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.